Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the Cognizant company. So the Cognizant company has made it very mandatory for the employees to come to the office. So earlier, if you would see this email, so this is one of the email that was shooted earlier. So prior to May month 2024, they had sent that you need to come to the office at least thrice a week. Now, if you'll remember during the pandemic time, it was made work from home and it was continued to some particular 1.5 year in Cognizant company. But now what has happened is the company is asking its employees to come every day to the office. So this is the earlier email that has been received and this is the new email that has been received. So now the current situation is if you will not resume your work at the Cognizant company, that is work from office, then what would happen is eventually they will terminate you, they'll lay you off. So this has been an official email that has been put on, and this news has just come up in last I think 24 hours. So you can see the recent email. Cognizant said it believes the hybrid model will define the future of work, but as of now they are excited to see the people coming back to the office. So what they are planning is once they open their offices in tier 2 cities wherein their employees are leaving, then they will redefine the hybrid model. But as of now, they want their employees back to the office, work from office 5 days a week, as per their requirements, as per the latest email that has been rolled out. So this has come up like a very mandatory situation. And if you are working in Cognizant company, please get in touch with your hiring managers. Please talk to them and ensure that your job is not getting impacted just because you are working from home. So you might be working from home and you might be thinking that yes, this is going to be continuing, but it is very important that you stay in touch with your managers, you stay in contact, you stay in communication with your leads and the reporting authorities and ensure that if you are doing work from home, you get some approval from them. It should be a written approval, it should be an approval in an email from them. Then only you should do work from home, because now this has become very compulsory, very mandatory, and these are kind of a strict orders that has come from the Cognizant company that if you will not be coming to the office, then it might happen that you might be laid off. So this is the recent latest news that we have got from the Cognizant company. So thought to share it with you, and that's the update from this particular video. And one more thing, if you have received the offer letter from the Cognizant company, maybe 2 months back, 3 months back, so ensure that you also communicate with the recruiter and you ask them whether it's a work from office, whether it's a work from home. If earlier they would have mentioned to you that yes, it's a work from home, still you confirm, because this is a recent news that has just come in the Cognizant company. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.